Hello everybody, what can you see here? There are flowers, leaves, plants, fruits, balls, books. There is a pencil box, toy car, teddy bear, bottle, mug. Yes, there are so many things on my table. Now I am going to divide them into two groups, living things and non-living things. Now we'll see what are living things. Living things are alive. They can grow. They can move. That means they can walk one place to another place. They can breathe. They can eat or drink. They can have their young ones. Now we'll see what are the living things here. Plants, fruits, leaves, flowers are living things. Then what about other things? That means they are non-living things. They can't move. They can't grow. They can't breathe. They don't have their young ones. So all these things are non-living things. Now these are living things. These are non-living things. What can you tell about us? Are we living or non-living things? People are living things because we can grow, we can move, we can breathe, we can eat and drink, and also we can have our young ones. So, people, animals and plants are living things. All the other things are non-living things. Look at these two plants. This is a natural plant. This is an artificial plant. This one can grow. That means it can increase its size day by day. One day it will become a big tree. Like this way it can grow. Anyway, plants can't move one place to another place, but they can turn towards the sunlight. That is their movement. Then they can have their young one also. So these natural plants are living things. Look at this plastic plant. This plant never changes its size. That means it can't grow, it can't move, it can't reproduce. That means it can't have their young one. So these natural plants are living things. This artificial plant is non-living thing. Look at this watermelon, pineapple, banana, apple, star fruits and nelly. All these fruits are living things. Then look at this picture of fruits. This is a non-living thing. So all these fruits are living things. This picture of fruits is a non-living thing. Now I hope you can identify living and non-living things well. All non-living things around us are made of materials. Materials can be natural or man-made. Today we are going to discuss about natural materials. We can get natural materials from animals, plants and ground. But today we are going to discuss only about materials we are taking from animals. Can you see these things? Woolen cap, woolen bottle cover, woolen purse. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Using this wool, we can make these woolen things like woolen cap, purse, bottle cover, woolen sock. What are these? Leather bag, leather belt, leather purse, leather boots. How do we get leather materials? We can get leather from crocodiles and cow skins. Anyway, leather is an expensive material. Have you seen silkworms? Silkworms gives us silk. Silk used to make silk tie, silk sari and silk cloth. Anyway, silk also a shiny material. That's why we use silk dress for parties as party wears. Let's see summary of today's lesson. Things. Things we can divide into two groups, living things and non-living things. All non-living things are made of materials. Materials can be natural or man-made. Natural materials we can get from animals, plants or ground. We learned 4 animals who give us materials. Sheep give us wool. These are the things we can make using wool. Crocodile and cow gives us leather. These are the things we can make using leather. Silkworms give us silk. These are the things we can make using silk. Thank you.